If your business radar is tuned in, Birmingham is the place to be. The UK Zimbabwe Business Expo is here. 5 Zimbabwean Cabinet Ministers have landed in Birmingham, UK for an event that could reshape Zimbabwe's economic landscape. Held at the Bethel Convention Centre, this expo is a powerhouse of talks on infrastructure, agriculture and technology. Diaspora Insurance, a key partner, emphasizes the robust economic ties fueled by over $1 billion sent home annually by Zimbabwe's diaspora. CEO Jeff Madzingo highlights their commitment to bridging connections between home and abroad. Organized by the Zimbabweans in Diaspora Organization, ZIDO, the expo aims to drive investment and unlock Zimbabwe's potential. With keynote speakers like ZIDA Chairman Busisa Moyo and provincial ministers, attendees will get direct engagement with leaders and a first-hand look at investment opportunities. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious entrepreneur, this is where nations and businesses unite. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of Zimbabwe's growth story.